Yes, so now we are discussing about small scale business opportunities. In that today we are discussing about automatic dosa making machine. It is very easy to use and plenty of dosas will come automatically. So now we can discuss about product description. The capacity is 40 to 50 dosa in 1 hour. Usage and application is crispy dosa at touch of button, and power consumption is 1 to 3.5 units for 1 hour depending on usage. Machine type is automatic, semi-automatic, and brand is Dosamatic, and warranty is 1 year, and power source is single phase electric. Single phase electricity is enough. So especially it is developed in order to keep pace with the never-ending demands of customers, and we are especially involved in offering a wide range of automatic dosa machine. And benefits of usage using a domestic benefits of using Dosamatic is save on energy consumption, promise of consistency and standardization, secure investment and growth and good returns. But one thing I want to suggest is don't use for 1 or 2 dosas this automatic dosa machine, because the consumption and everything will become lost to you. So only 40 to 50 dosas will come. At least 20 dosas are there, then you can use this automatic dosa machine, because after that also cleaning will be there. Your machine cleaning and vessels cleaning and kettles cleaning is also there. So that if you use for 1 hour 40 to 50 dosas for restaurants and hotels, it will be very useful. But don't use it for 5 to 10 dosas. And technical specifications is use multiple types of battery, makes up to 50 dosas an hour, 3K watt, 3000 watt, one phase, 220 or 120 volts, meanwhile also it will work. Portable table, top model. So with batteries also you can run this, but for that batteries you should connect it to solar panels. By that also you can run, otherwise you can use directly batteries, and you can, after getting that, you can go for charging that batteries and they can use it. Otherwise by electricity also you can use it. And the features of the machine is change the thickness, change the size of dosa, one touch to make a dosa, multiple types of dosa, select the amount of roast, easy to use and maintain. So this is the features and the information regarding dosa making machine. It will be highly useful for restaurants and hotels. If gathering is more than 100, you can use this dosa making machine. It will reduce your time and the risk will be reduced, and labor also will be reduced, and your content also will come in equal way to all dosas specifically. But use for 40 to 50 dosas in 1 hour means if you use at least for 20 dosas, it is the kind and enough to implement and to use it. Wishing you all the best.